So guys, today we're going to be talking about before and after CoolSculpt. I did CoolSculpt about 3 years ago. If this is going to interest you to know the follow-up of what happened after the CoolSculpt, stay here and let's dive right into the video. Everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I am kartiavelino. Please consider subscribing. So as we are ready to hop into the summer, that brings me to more self-awareness, fashion, skincare, weight loss to go with the relationship. So I got some questions regarding the fat freeze that I did a couple of years ago. And people has been asking me, even the people that are not on YouTube, like family members, the updates about my fat freeze. So today I decided to do a video to my leg, Ooh. A video to give you guys update. Freeze. I am also going to be freezing this part of my arms, and we do it we're gonna do it one at a time. So I have Diane. Diane is the super nurse that will be taking care of me to freeze the fat on my arms and my flank. Okay, bra flank. So okay, nice. I'm so excited. Can't wait. Oh my gosh. Guys, keep looking, keep watching. So the reason I'm showing you guys this clip is just in case you didn't watch that video. I will also link that video in the first comment box. I did a first video. I did the update after 6 weeks, and then I'm doing another update after 3 years. So first of all, the thing that you guys need to understand is that fat freeze or CoolSclupture, it's only targeted a very small area of your body. It doesn't really work for people who have excess weight or have a lot of flesh or have a lot of fat to lose. You have to be almost in shape, like 80% in shape. That's what you need to be for this fat freeze to give you at least to work for you. And what it does target is only 20% of the fat cells. So what it does is that it freezes up that fat cells, and then right after it freezes up the fat cell, and then you can pee that in your urine. But the question is this permanent? That's the question a lot of people are asking. I have to talk from my own personal experience. No, it is not permanent. Let me tell you why it's not permanent. Let's take a picture. Let's take a view at the pictures. The picture that you're looking at, the picture. So this picture, you guys can see that on my love handle, right? You can see how my love handle is bulging out. Even on my upper back, I don't really have any much folds on my upper back. And this picture is before the procedure. Mind you guys, this is not a surgery, it's just a procedure to this is not a surgery, it's just a procedure to freeze your fat on certain areas of your body. It does work better on the love handle, on the abdomen, and on the hands, right? Your bicep and the tricep. Let's take a look at my hands. When I say my hands over here, my bicep, my tricep, before and after. When you look at the picture, you can see that I lost about 2 inches on my arms. Considered from the first, you can see that I lost about 2 inches after 6 weeks on my arms. Look at the picture. The picture speaks for itself. It was good. It was fine. Nothing really. I was enjoying it. Let's look at me. The year when I did that, I was in good diet. I exercised. I was swimming. I was doing everything that I can to flaunt my body. Yes, it did work then. But now, after 3 years, everything has come back. Look at my back. This is really what my back looks like. Oh my God, this is so disgusting. But let me tell you guys exactly what happened. We have been indoors for a year and a half right now. So there was not much exercise being done. It's been winter. A lot of people has gained a COVID weight, which I gained about 8 pounds sitting inside the house, not doing exercise as I want to do. The gyms are closed. Anyway, let's fast forward to what I'm talking about. So if you want to get the maximum result, you really have to be in good shape. This is a lifestyle thing. When I say lifestyle, put yourself, change your diet, like take a 360 degrees, take a U-turn, change your diet, and exercise is very important. And because I have not been exercising the way I was exercising before the pandemics, I gained all the weight back, and everything about the CoolSclupture, all the frozen fat are back to life fat again. So what am I telling you? What I'm telling you is that if you have $3,000 to $5,000 to spend on CoolSclupture, better use that money if you can and do liposuction. This is where I stand right now. You can decide to do a liposuction where you don't have to be on 100% anesthesia. This is if you don't have a lot of flesh, right? There are procedures right now where they only freeze that part, like they freeze your stomach and then they just take out the fat. And when you do liposuction, they take at least 80 to 90% of fat. This is me. I'm not encouraging you to. I'm not saying that this is what you have to do if you want to lose weight. I am saying if you have $3,000 to $5,000 to spend, and if you're not scared of surgery, go and just take off all the fats instead of doing fat freeze, because I'm talking from my own experience. I am a living witness. When you watch the videos, you will see, I will link the first video, the one I will link my two videos in the first comment box. Again, the procedure, the initial one, the subsequent video 6 weeks after, and now this is the third video. So it is entirely your choice. Make up your mind if you want to do fat freeze and exercise all your life, eat good food. This is again if you don't have a lot of fat to lose. But if you do have a lot of fat to lose, it doesn't worth that for you. And summer is here. Go ahead and look good, look beautiful, do the best you can, and don't worry about people gonna judge you about how you look, the procedure you want to do. Your body, your money, your time, your pain, and your happiness. Guys, please remember to subscribe to this channel and share the video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.